Well, oh my gosh, I just had a fabulous week. I was fortunate enough to team up with two others in the quilting world and who are local friends of mine. And we got to host a quilt retreat here in Kanab, Utah, where I am currently living. It was so much fun. We had over 30 women join us from around the Utah state, as well as a few from Vegas. And we had the best time. I did get a little bit of sewing done. Let me show you. The first quilt I finished was the quilt for the cruise that I'm teaching on. This is my third cruise with Stitch in Heaven, and we are going out of California this time. This is Hello Autumn. It is not my pattern, but I don't miss an opportunity to teach on a cruise. So I thought, yes, I will teach this quilt, and it is actually, I'm not going to say easy. It is time consuming because there's a lot of half square triangles, but it's a fabulous quilt. And it turned out so wonderful. This was one of my goals to finish this before this retreat, but I didn't. So this is what I worked on there. I also was able to sew this quilt up using 3 charm packs. I am going to be writing the instructions as well as a video for this. It was actually really easy. And look at the inside blocks right here feature a disappearing 9 patch. Love those blocks. I love disappearing quilt blocks. And it's been a while since I have sewn one, so this was a lot of fun. And I used Halloween fabric, so it'll be done for Halloween. Crossing my fingers. It's going on the pile, but the pile is slowly getting lower, sort of, maybe. Anyways, this quilt is coming up. Because of this retreat, I have been seriously neglecting my sewing room. So I thought for a minute that I would have you join me in my sewing room as I clean up, but I also wanted to announce something else that is so much fun. You are not going to want to miss this. Before I get going on my sewing room, I thought this is a perfect opportunity I have to share something coming up, and that is a virtual quilt retreat. I am so excited about this. I've been working behind the scenes on this for a while, and it is a little bit of short notice, so I really do apologize for that. I really wanted to tell this before I left on vacation, before the daughter had a baby, before I hosted the quilt retreat in person, but it just didn't happen, so here we are. The dates, the links, everything is going to be below in the description. So check it out. But it is going to be the Merry and Bright Virtual Quilt Retreat. This is a Quilt-Away retreat, and that just means that you do not have to travel for this. There's no additional cost as far as travel, airplane, driving, gas, hauling your machine, hauling your chair. No, you don't need to do any of that. You have an opportunity to attend a quilt retreat without even leaving your home. I have been running my virtual quilt group for over 10 years. So long. And it is a delight, a serious delight for me. In fact, we just had a workshop this week with a guest, and it was virtual. We meet in a Zoom room. We can ask the designer questions. They are all from around the world. And that, again, no additional travel or cost is required. Once you join, you get access to everything that is happening inside and on the calendar. So the virtual quilt retreat is here. It's time. It's our fall one. It is very similar to your in-person one. We have prizes, we have giveaways, we have a little bit of a challenge. We play games. There is a quilt pattern that is going to be given to you right when you join, so you can gather your materials. I'm looking at it and I believe it's just a layer cake. I'm dropping all the bits. This is the project or the quilt for the retreat. This is just part of it. It's kind of like a miter, but you are going to be sewing this with a layer cake. And if you'd like, it is going to be a Christmas version because this is for Merry and Bright is our theme for Christmas sewing. And so you can finish a quilt during the retreat. It is very, very simple. You'll get the video, you'll get the PDF, and you'll get the materials list prior to us starting. Just a little bit about the retreat. Beyond the pattern and the giveaways and the games, we are going to have the private Zoom room for our attendees. That is where we're going to sew together at specific times during the retreat. We will have an evening meet and greet, so we can get to know everybody that is attending. The Zoom room will be open the whole time during the retreat, and we will have a private Facebook group. So you're able to upload pictures, share where you're at, what you're working on, share your progress. We get to celebrate with each other, and we just have a really, really good time. So if you're thinking that your schedule is becoming busier and you just can't fit in those extra time or the extra days for travel or anything else, this is the retreat for you. You are going to get login information, access to the group. That's going to give you all the links you're going to need, as well as the printable schedule. We will have a little bit of a virtual swag bag for you, discounts for my membership, Patchworkers Plus, as well as the shop area with additional patterns. Feel free to bring your UFOs, work on whatever project you'd like, if it's for the holidays or not. But we are going to have a lot of fun. The dates are coming up quickly. I've got some emails set announcing it, as well as a full blog post. And just to give you more information about how it works, how you do it, and how you can join. If you've got any questions, though, drop them in the comments. Happy to answer. But seriously, this is a great opportunity for you to use your computer to meet other quilters. Get to know others that are not necessarily nearby. I'm lucky enough to have a quilt group local, but I know a lot of quilters do not. You don't have the shop and you don't have the groups. This is an opportunity to see kind of what happens inside my membership, which is all online, as well as getting you to meet other quilters, maybe from around the world. The dates are coming up. It is in September, a little bit of short notice, but I'm hoping that you have the time and are excited to join me there. All right, check the link in the descriptions. I am going to get working on my sewing room. That is the next step here to accomplish, but yeah. I'm excited about the virtual quilt retreat. I hope you can join me. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. Otherwise, grab the link, head on over, and I will see you at the Merry and Bright Quilt-Away retreat. 100% virtual. All right, we'll see you later, hopefully at the retreat. I gotta see if I can make all of this stuff fit back where it's supposed to go. Wish me luck.